Hello and welcome to September's project. The children have hopefully all gone back to school now, and I thought I'd break you in gently with something fairly easy to do. So these are a range of Violet Delights from Hunkydory, and this set is the luxury topper set, and it has 4 different packs. So they're all foiled with silver, and they have beautiful images of violets on them. So I haven't opened any of these yet, so I thought I would do it with you, and I haven't got any idea what's going to happen with this card. It's just going to be purely make it up as I go along. So this is the one of them. It's got beautiful violets in a teacup, and it's got some cakes on it. So I thought I would try this pack. So the other ones in the series, you've got a beautiful jug and some lovely Just For You. And in the pack, you also get this other sheet, a backing sheet. So that's that one. That one is called A Lovely Bunch. And this one also I really liked. It's got a sewing machine. It's called Delightful Moments, and you can definitely spend delightful moments with your sewing machine. So it's got again a beautiful jug with violets, and they're all highlighted in silver foil. This one's got a lovely backing sheet which has got butterflies and swirls and leaves. And then this one, let me put those down for a minute, it has the sewing machine again, but in a different shape. This one is called So Delightful, which with that old sewing machine it would be delightful to sew with that. It's also got a lovely wishing you happiness today and every day. So, and the one on the back has the sewing machine, and it goes that way. So you've got the lovely backing sheet and the topper with this set. So like I said, I'm going to use this one here, but what also comes in the range is this Violet Delights luxury foiled acetate, and I'm definitely hoping to be able to do something with that. So this is acetate with silver foil on it, so I definitely want to use that. That's really exciting. There is also a beautiful pack of card here. So you've got 30 A4 sheets of card in 10 different colours, which are all beautifully picked to colour coordinate with the whole range. So you can see there some greens, purples, greys, blues and pinks. So they're really nice, so you could make your own cards if you wanted to. This one is a 6x6 paper pack, so it's got some beautiful sheets of paper with all different designs on it, and I'm definitely going to use this one because it's got some beautiful images of the flowers and the keyboard, the typewriter. Then you can also get, which I really like, are these inserts. So this is the card inserts, and as you can see, it's got some beautiful designs that you can really finish off the insides of your cards and make them more like something that's bought from a shop. So it gives you a professional finish and makes it just feel a little bit more luxurious. So there's that insert there. What you can also get in this collection are the concept card collection, which creates box cards. So it's got, let me just read this to you. 8 double-sided foil and die-cut topper sheets, and it makes 8 cards. So it's beautifully set together, and you can see that these will fold and will create your box cards. And there's on the back, gives you full instructions on how to do it. So that's really nice to do, something completely different. And then this pack is the luxury card collection. So as you can see, it has the set of toppers in there, and it has all of them. It also has complete ideas on what you can do with these toppers, and it makes at least 16 cards, and it's just a beautiful set of the whole range. So you don't have to buy them individually like this, you can buy it all in one pack like this. So let's see what we get with our luxury topper. So let me just open this up. It's going to be a little bit noisy for a minute. Right, so that's just the insert. Here we are. Now this is your topper sheet, and it is die cut. So you can see I can just gently push them and they start coming out. So that's that one. Ooh, look at that. And then you get this backing sheet and this backing sheet. So, oh, I can see some nice cards being made with those. Now, just remember that the images that they show you on this insert is just their idea of what to make. That doesn't mean you have to copy them. You can take any of these elements and move them around and create different ideas and designs that are your own. So that's my toppers with my backing sheets. And let's just have a look at this one. So, right. So we've got, it's 6x6 paper. So it's a nice size. Ooh. Oh, so we've got the sewing machine. Love the old-fashioned sewing machine. So, oh, old-fashioned typewriter. Actually learnt to type on one of those. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. Then you've got some nice pattern paper. Let's just have a look here. Oh, and it's all double-sided as well, look. So we've got on the back of the sewing machine, you've just got a nice textured effect brown, and then you've got the same effect but in purple. We've got dots, cakes, cupcakes, and then we've got the same texture but with a flowered border. Oh, that's really pretty. A deeper purple, a teacup with butterflies. Those that know me will now know why I picked this for September. I absolutely love cakes and pansies. This one is really pretty. So you can already start to see, oh, and then this one, you can already build up an idea of what you can do with these. Let's just quickly flick through the rest. So we've got some butterflies. And remember, you don't have to use the whole of the sheet. You can just pull off little bits. These are going to work really lovely if you have a die cutting machine or craft punch. Oh, lots of butterflies there. And the other thing, this is actually a really solid piece of paper, so there's no reason why you couldn't actually cut out some of these individual butterflies, and if you bent them up, the wings up from the middle, they would stay there, because this is a really thick, good quality paper. So then we've got just dots. Then there's the vase. Oh, lovely borders. Oh, now we're moving on into deeper pink and some gardening on the vase of flowers. Another border and another border. One large cupcake. What's really lovely is that you get 4 identical sheets, so there's no reason why you couldn't actually decoupage this up from those 4 sheets. So that's that one. So what we have left is the acetate. So I'm just going to pull a few of these out. So, oh, look at that. Now this is really thick acetate, really good quality. And the one I'm really after, so that, oh, we've got spots. And this one, I don't know if you can see that one. Let me move these other ones out of the way here for you. So now you can start to see. Do we have 4 different designs? So let me see if I can find. Here we are. There we are. So we've got 4 different designs and 16 sheets. We got definitely 4 different designs. So, and like I say, it's really thick acetate. It's really good quality. So you're going to know that you're going to be making a very, very luxurious card with this. So I think I really like that one. But I do also quite like the borders. So now I've pulled out some black card because I thought the acetate would stand up better against the black card. So let's, I think I'm going to do this one.